Hey, Mike. Sorry to interrupt you there, but I got to thinking, we've talked about replacing or correcting problems in various components of a power steering system, like with this reservoir. We've talked about how they're hard to clean, almost impossible. Let me look at the gunk in there. But we've only talked about parts and components. We haven't talked about the system as a whole. I mean, if there's gunk in here, there's got to be gunk in the hoses and everywhere else in the system.
Absolutely right, Jim. It's a pet peeve of mine. People spend money trying to fix the system by replacing the pump, replacing the gear, replacing the rack, and they won't even flush the systems to get the contaminants out.
Yeah, so how do you do that?
Okay, well, I'll tell you what, I've got a great diagram to explain it to you. So you have your reservoir here.
Right.
Okay. You're going to fill the reservoir with new fluid.
Okay.
The reservoir is connected to the pump.
Right.
You're going to disable the ignition on the vehicle and crank the engine over to pull the fluid through the pump.
Got it.
Okay. It's going to go to the rack or the gear.
Right.
You're going to move your steering wheel back and forth, trying to get that fluid everywhere in there to push all the contaminants out.
Sure.
On your return line, you're not going to connect it to your reservoir right away. You're going to catch it in a bucket.
Okay.
When the fluid comes out clear,
you know you've pushed all the contaminants out.
then you can reconnect to the reservoir or reconnect to an inline filter to the reservoir.
There you go. But you don't want to put a clean part in a gunked up, dirty system. There's a tech tip from PWR. See you next time. Thanks, Mike.
Thank you, Jim. Thanks for watching our PWR Steer video series. And please check out our other videos. And remember, our products are 100% new, 100% tested, engineered in Memphis, Tennessee.